everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Twitter X notifications late. For that, the first thing that you must do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off. The other thing that you must do is inside of settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and then scroll down to find X, tap on mobile data users, and make sure that background data and unrestricted mobile data users are turned on, especially if you're connecting to the internet through mobile data. The other thing that you must do is scroll down. The other thing that you must do is tap on notifications and make sure all of these notification settings are turned on. If the problem still persists, tap on storage and cache and then clear the storage and cache of X and try again and try logging in again to see if that solves the problem. One more thing that you must do in settings is tap on app battery users and tap on allow background users and set it to unrestricted, which makes sure that the app is continuously running in the background and sending you notifications. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.